So hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. So today we are going to solve the questions of ISI MStat. Okay, let's solve the question number 1, which says that fx is equal to xx square minus 2x plus 2, and L1 and L2 are be two tangents to the graph at x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Then the area of the region enclosed by the graph of f and two lines L1 and L2. Okay, so we have to find out the area of this. So just a second. Okay, so we have to find the area of this. First of all, I am considering this. I am writing this. I am writing y is equal to x square. Just a second. It's too dark. Yeah. So I am writing this. Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2, right? So y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2. So first of all, let us we will draw the graph of this. We know that this is it is a equation of parabola. So first of all, let us find the vertex of this parabola. So x square minus 2x plus 1, right? So I can write this as x minus 1 is whole square plus 1. So it will imply y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 whole square. So vertex of this parabola at 1 and 1, and you can see that coefficient of x square is positive, so I can draw the graph of this. So if this is our axis, just a second, so let me draw the axis. Yeah, and suppose this be our 1 1, then the graph of parabola something looks like this, right? And according to the question, we have to draw if let this be our x equal to 0 line and this be our x equal to this point our 2 0 point, this points our 1 0 point, this is our 0 0. So before starting, first of all, let's find the equation of the tangents of this graph at x equal to 0. Okay, now for this, what I am going to do, I am trying to find the coordinate of this point. So I know the x coordinate of this point is 0. So we have to find the y coordinate, and how can I get the y coordinate? I will put x equal to 0 in this equation. So x equal to 0, consider this one, put x equal to 0 in 1. So I will get y is equal to 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 2, so 2. So this equation, so coordinate of this point is 0 2. So now I need to draw a tangent at this point. So the equation of the tangent of equation of tangent at 1 of 1 at 0 2 is the what will be the equation of the tangent? First of all, so this is the equation, x square minus 2x. So we know that x will be x into 0 minus 2x will be x plus 0 plus 2 minus equal to y. So it is half into y plus 2. So it will be minus x plus 2 is equal to half into y plus 2. So it will be minus 2x plus 4 is equal to y plus 2. So it will be 2x plus y is equal to 2. Okay, this is our equation 2. So the tangent of 1 at x equal to 0 2 is this. Okay, now we need to find the we need to find the tangent at this point. So first, before that, we need to find the coordinate of this point. So how can I can find the coordinate of this point? I know the x coordinate is 2, so I'll put x equal to 2 in here. So y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 2. So y is again 2. So the coordinate of this point is 2 2. Okay, so now I need to find the equation of tangent of 1 at 2 2. So tangent at 1 of tangent of 1 at 2 2 will be x square, so it will be x plus 2 minus 2x, so it will be x square, so it will be x into 2 minus 2x, so it will be x plus 2 and y equal to half into y plus 2, right? So I can say 2x minus x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to half into y plus 2, so 2 2 out, so it is x is equal to half into y plus 2, so I can say 2x is equal to y plus 2, and the equation of tangent is equal to 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is our 3. Now what I am going to do, I am going to solve 1 and 3 to find the intersect, or I am going to solve 2 and 3 to find the intersecting point of these two tangents. So solving 1 and 3. So 1 is 2x plus 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 2. So 2x plus y is equal to 2, and other is 2x minus y is equal to 2. So 4x is equal to 4. It will imply x is equal to 1. So the value of x is equal to 1, and then the value of y is equal to 0. So these two tangents intersect at 1 0. So now we know that this is our 1 0, so the tangents will intersect and 1 0. So let me draw the tangents. This is our first tangent, and it will be our second tangent, right? So we need to find out this area. I am marking this by using other color. So I need to find out this area. So how can I find out this area? To find out this area, first of all I need to find the whole area, then I need to subtract this value, this area. Okay, so I need to find the whole area under this parabola and the axis and this line, then I will find the total area, then I need to subtract these areas. Okay, so then I need to subtract these areas. Okay, so let me copy this image and let's go to, okay, so this is our graph. So let's try to find the area. So to find the area, we know that integration, we need to integrate y dx, right? So integration, the value of y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx, and this limit is 0, this limit is 2, so 0 to 2. So it will be integration 0 to 2 x square. So I can integrate in this line, so it will be x cube by 3 plus x square plus 2x, from 0 to 2, so 8 by 3, if I put x equal to 2, so 8 by 3, so plus 4, so it will be 8 1 by 3 plus 1, so it is 4 by 3, so 8 into 4 by 3, so it is 32 by 3. Okay, so it will be 32 by 3. So the area under this parabola and the axis and x equal to 2 line is 32 by 3. Now we need to find out the area of this. Now how can we find the area? So this is our height, this is our base, this is a triangle, so it will, the area of this triangle, if I write A B C D E, so area of ABC, area of delta ABC is equal to half into base 1 and height is 2, so half into 1 into 2, so it will be 1. The area of the triangle ABC is 1. Again we need to find out the area of DEC. So area of DEC is half into, again the base is 1 and a height is 2, so half into 1 into 2, so it will be 1. So therefore the required area is equal to 32 by 3 minus 1 minus 1, so it will be 32 by 3 minus 2, so it will be 32 minus 6 by 3, so it will be 26 by 3. So this is our answer. So student, got it? Okay, that's all about this question. So we have solved this question. It was not at all tough, but not at all easy also. So we need to think this question in exam and need to solve it. Okay, so thank you so much.